In this video, I'm going to show you how to make another account on Roblox while you're on the same device. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have two accounts. So you can see I'm logged into one account here. I'm going to go ahead and click log out. And then here, I'm going to go to the roblox.com website, and then I'm going to click on sign up. And as you can see here, I'm going to enter in my information and create a separate account. Now, I've already done this, so go ahead and create your second account and then log into it. And as you can see, I'm logged into one of my accounts here. Now, next is we're going to make sure outside of the browser that we have the Roblox application downloaded so that we can use Roblox in the browser and use the Roblox application. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my search bar, and I'm going to search for Microsoft Store. I'm going to click on Microsoft Store. And then once we've opened up the store, we're going to go and we're going to search for apps and games. We're going to search for Roblox. And here you can see Roblox. Click on it. And it's free to download. So go ahead, click Get, and begin downloading. And then once you have the Roblox application downloaded, we're going to go ahead and open it up. So we've gone ahead and downloaded Roblox and then opened up the application. So now you can see I've logged in to a separate account. So I'm here on the Roblox.com website version. You can see I'm logged into one account, and then in the application, I'm logged into a separate account. So that is how you can make another account on Roblox while you're on the same device. So you can go ahead and play two different experiences while you're logged into two different accounts. So hopefully you found this helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.